Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well today. We have a wonderful video for you. If you're looking for new houses in New Mexico, then this video is for you. That way you guys can see how beautiful homes we have here. We're going to feature a builder that I haven't featured before, in which usually you have to pay for upgrades and nice features, but not this builder. So let's go right now. All right guys, so once again, new builder, new homes here in New Mexico. Just so you can see, this is the street right here, and this is the model home we will be seeing today by Monarch Homes. Fantastic, beautiful quality homes here in New Mexico. Love what you can see here, right? This one does come with an RV. Remember, this is an RV parking. This is a model home. There. All right guys, let's go inside. All right, so once again, we are in the beautiful Monarch Homes. This is what you see, beautiful chandelier. Remember guys, 8-foot doors standard with this builder. You get a lot of features included, no upgrades, and we're going to talk about that right now. So let's go to this. Let's go right here to our bedroom here. Good size bedroom, good size closet. Already has these built-ins, right? Wonderful. Once again, 8-foot doors. And it leads right here to our first bathroom. Quartz included with soft close cabinets. Good quality, already included. Look at the tile, included. It's not an upgrade. Beautiful. From this angle, you got your white cabinets, right? And your quartz. Wonderful. Arches. Y'all notice that? Arches, rounded doorways. Fantastic. Guys, these nichos. All these nichos come with quartz. See that? Included, not an upgrade. Now this could also be a bedroom, but they're using it as an office. You can ask for a bedroom or as an office. This is a 4-bedroom. If this would be a bedroom, this would be bedroom number 3. But right now, they can also do build-ins like that if you want. They can also do that. Obviously, you can choose from all these, and you can choose here. Here's where you can pick and choose what you want. But remember, all these features are included. So that's the beautiful part about this builder. There's not upgrades. They're not going to charge you more. Here's another nicho. Wonderful. All right guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe below. My name is Cesar and my wife is Tanya, and we would love to help you so you can purchase these beautiful homes here. Ceilings 10-foot minimum, and we'll go into that right now. Let's go to the laundry room. Look at this laundry room. You got cabinets on the top, cabinets on the bottom. What's an upgrade here is the actual sink. The actual sink here is an upgrade. So what you get standard is your granite, just a piece of a slab there so you can fold your clothes, and the washer and dryer. That is an upgrade. I just want to say that, but normal without it, then it's just you do get your cabinets, soft close cabinets, top, bottom, and then your granite or your quartz. Okay guys, let's continue. Here we go. I love this one because it has an ensuite. What that means is it could be a mother-in-law quarters. It could be somebody's room where they have a bathroom at their disposal. Whenever they need it, they have it. It's right here. Beautiful. Once again, you got your combination shower and tub. Beautiful, beautiful Monarch home. The finishes are standard, so this is what you see right here. Beautiful. All right, guys, let's go into the kitchen now. The kitchen, here we go. So upgrades, touchless water, touchless faucet, smart faucet, that is an upgrade, and also the pot filler is an upgrade. The rest, it comes with it, guys. Let me go back so you guys can see that. So see, all the rest is there. I love the fact that it has a built-in trash fans built in already there. You don't have to have it on the outside so everyone can see. I do love this upgrade though. Look at that. All right, guys. You guys love the orchids? I love orchids. There you go. Look at the pendant lighting. Beautiful, elegant, nice. Pantry room, frosted 8-foot door. Let's see. Look at this, guys. You're gonna need a step stool if you're like me. But it is tall because look at that. Look how much space, how deep they are. Wonderful. So plenty of room. Love the frosted pantry door. Okay, guys, now we go into the living room. So an upgrade is the fireplace. It doesn't come with it, but it does come with something with a tile like that all the way. Wonderful. The lights on top, standard. And that design, it comes with it. Another upgrade would be these doors. You know, they are an upgrade. They're bigger. So that's just. I'm just trying to point out to you guys. I'm just trying to point out what the upgrades are, but pretty much everything else is standard here. So in this area, you have the pop filler, you have the smart touch, the fireplace, and then this big door. You do get a really nice door, and actually you can, it's one of those, I think the 3, and then you slide it open. And if you have any question, guys, we can definitely bring you so you can meet Mike Flores, and we can definitely have him help and get all the details for you. Okay, let's continue. Once again, Nicho, everything we will see here is a standard, so there's no upgrades. Right here, standard, right? Good sized bedroom. Once again, you got these beautiful fans, standard. You got a barn door within the price, and then look at this beautiful bathroom. Remember, all this is included, no upgrades. That's why people love this builder, because there is no upgrades. It's all the standard. I'll tell you the price of this home right now as we continue. Good size closet, wonderful. The water closet or throne room is there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, guys, you may be asking, well, what's the price on this beautiful home? Well, this home actually has 2,167 square feet. This is a good sized home. It can be a 4-bedroom, but they made it as an office, as you can see. And it has 3 bathrooms, which is fantastic. 3 full bathrooms, right? And this home, model home, as you see it, is $486,000. You guys remember, all the upgrades are included. The Monarch Homes start in the mid-range of in the 300s, mid-300s, about 1,586 square feet. That's what they start at, and then from there, obviously, as you can see in this beautiful home, it does go up. The thing is that you can also get a 3-car garage, you know, as well. So it just depends on what you guys want. Now, the backyard. Let's go into the backyard so you guys can see. So now remember, guys, this is a standard here, right? But the upgrades here are the lawn. You know, it's nice and fixed. That is an upgrade as well. But guys, remember, everything is negotiable. So if you want something, all we can do is ask. So guys, please, if you love this home and you want quality builder in Las Cruces, New Mexico, Monarch Homes, come to us. We can definitely bring you out so you can meet everybody. We can do a nice, beautiful tour. Right now, it looks like all the lots are sold out, but they have more available. And because of the quality they have, they sell pretty quick. I'm not gonna lie. So why don't you come on out, give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email, and we'll be more than happy to help you. Now, we're not done here. We're gonna go see another home. So let's go to the next one. All right, guys, we are at our second home. Remember, Monarch Homes, beautiful house. You got to wait on this one. The views, there is a deck. You have to stay around so you can see this beautiful home. Let's show the outside. Remember, guys, this one is still being worked on, so just keep that in mind, and you'll see on the video little details that need to be done, but don't worry, this home is really nice. Remember, luxury homes like this. These are custom homes. This is I'll give you all the details right now as soon as we go in, okay? Okay guys, so I'm at right here, right? Just come in once again, 8-foot doors. Look at those arches, beautiful chandelier. You have lighting up there, natural light, wonderful. You have this beautiful barn door that you have a bedroom over here. Look at the size of this bedroom, tile throughout, wonderful. Has a really nice large closet. Really good, guys. And you guys can compare and see. I mean, I know the model home has all the furniture and stuff, but this home is brand new. New homes here in New Mexico. Check this bathroom out. How beautiful is this bathroom? Look at that granite. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Now this would be the entrance for the 2-car garage. Once again, guys, the nichos come with that already included. Let's go in here. This would be like the flex room. Good size office, whatever you guys like. You own it, it's yours. You can whatever you like. This is a 4-bedroom with the flex. Huge house, big house. Now look at this too. Laundry room. Remember, quality cabinets here, soft close, folding area, I guess. Cabinets on the bottom, washer and dryer. Very good. Once again, 8-foot doors, fantastic. Now this one has here, look at this beautiful room. This is another bedroom, bedroom number 3. You have the bathroom here. Darkwood cabinets, right? Beautiful. All right, let's go to this bedroom now. I love this feature. This is actually the theater room. You can set the couch here and you have power there. So this would be the theater room, its own theater room. Beautiful. You didn't see that on the other house, huh? So this is what Monarch Homes can do. You can pre-order them and they can build it for you. Fantastic, right? Okay guys, let's continue the tour. Nice wide open space. Beautiful. So we can get a close-up on the cabinets here. You got your beautiful 8-foot pantry door, which is fantastic. The light should turn on. Cool. This one's on a switch. Okay. Now, these cabinets, I don't know if you can see the color to appreciate them, but they're like a gray color. Really beautiful. Under cabinet lights, remember they come with it. You got your 5-burner GE electric, brand new. Remember, there's still little details they need to fix, so don't you worry about that. Here is your trash. I mean, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful home. We'll go outside and see the views. First, let's go into the primary and see the primary. Beautiful. Once again, it comes with the lighting on top. I don't know if you can see it because we have so much sunlight coming in. Oh, there it is. You can see it now. Beautiful fans. Large walk-in closet. Oh my goodness. Yep, really nice. I'll tell you the square feet and all that right now. I just want to show you guys. Oops. Okay guys, let me know which one you like the most. Wait till you see the views on this one. Let's go ahead and see here. Check this out. Okay guys, we have to check this out. Look at that standalone tub. When we come in here, Nice big shower head, natural light. 2 shower heads, yeah. You can relax here, right? And there's the other one, see? You hit 2. Nicho, nicho, good. And then double scenes, beautiful, look at that. Wonderful, guys. Fantastic. Beautiful, beautiful home. Amazing, right, guys? Let's go look at the views and I'll tell you the details up there on this house, okay? Yeah. So this is the back. Oh, you actually have a fireplace out here as well. That's gonna be your fireplace. Wonderful. You get nice grass right here. Look at that. All right, stairs, here we go. Yeah, it's gonna be fantastic, guys. Let's see the views. So you get a deck out here. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. Look at those views. Oops. This is how I see those mountains. So we have a beautiful view of the mountains. Want to see the neighbors? Let's see what the neighborhood looks like. More mountain views. Beautiful, guys. All right, let's go back down. I'll give you all the details. This is a large home. It's actually bigger than the other one. And it has a lot more, right? This one has a deck. Not than the model home we just saw. Alright guys, so this home is actually 2,384 square feet, a lot bigger, right? As you can see, it is a 3-bedroom with an office and a theater room. Fantastic. I mean, you can use them as a bedroom as well, but that's what this house has to offer. Guys, remember, a lot of these features are not upgrades. They are, part of the house. They're already given to you. So this home, guys, is actually $475,000. Yes, wonderful. Wonderful price for all this that you have to offer with the high ceilings, the beams in the living room. Did you even see that beams in the living room? Right? Look at that. Wonderful. Okay, guys. Remember, property taxes here around 1%, which is fantastic. So if you guys have any other questions, please reach out to us. My name is Cesar and my wife is Tanya, and we'd love to help you. We'd love to help you make a smooth move to Las Cruces, New Mexico. Give us a call, send us a text, or shoot us an email. We'll be more than happy to help. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you guys for seeing the video. We'll see you on the next one.